He's really the only new one in tonight's. El Big Jefe's been in the. I think he's been in my other break. He's been in other breaks. I feel like. I don't know for sure, but I feel like he might have been on my main account. But either way, just enjoy the break. We're going to get a little ripping in. If you don't do well, don't worry too much about it because we're going to pop off anyways, and I always throw in extras, okay? I'll be on Saturday morning and Sunday morning too if you want a little bit of redemption. Okay? 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 We're ripping at 6:46. We ain't quite there yet, but this is the last time you can get a little screenshot. Okay? I'm probably going to start with a mega. All right, it's time. I don't know if Mr. Esquire is in here, but he knows. He knows when we pop off. Good luck, everybody. We about to pop off. Like I said, we're going to start with a mega. We've got two of them from 2023. Let's do one of these megas here first. Obviously, we're going to end in the hobby, but Sean, you did. Yes, you did. It's getting harder to use the Prism hobbies. They're just too much. Keep going up. Empty box. Empty box. There it is. We got some new stuff coming out this weekend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well, we never quite know, Nav. We never quite know. We just hope something nasty's in there for somebody. Deshaun Watson, Aiden O'Connell for the Raiders. Yaya Diaby for the Bucks. That's numbered. Jordan Howden for the Saints out of 299. Marvin Mims on the Select Certified. Jackson Smith and Jigba. And Brenton Strange. Jag's been using this gen a little bit more too. And this guy's just kind of nasty. I wonder if they're going to use Sam Howell next year. Like, is this the last year of Geno? Does it end here? No more after this year? I've seen some people with it already. The absolute hobbies. And then Mosaic's got the, I can't remember which version what they're dropping, but they've got something else that comes out tomorrow or today and then I believe we'll start seeing retail Prism here soon. So that's kind of what's in getting ready to pop off, you know what I'm saying? No Huddle already came out. It's something else. It's the I can't think of what it's called right now. Choice, I think. Yes, that's it. Aaron Rodgers, Jaron Hall for the Vikings. On the die cut, Thule for the Chargers. Another die cut, James Cook for the Bills. Stephon Diggs and Paris Johnson Jr. Little James Cook action for the Bills. I'm not going to be mad at that, Nav. Pretty good running back this year. He's one of the better ones. Thule. And Mr. Hall. Mosaic choice. Henry Toa, Jared Goff. For the Bills, Gabe Davis on the die cut. Tyree Wilson for the Raiders. Russell Wilson, silver die cut for the Bucks. Zay Flowers on the future. And Cam Smith. Well, there's one Zay. May we have another, sir? There's going to be some teams in position to get some pretty decent quarterbacks in this draft. I don't know who's going to end up with who, but I guess the next 2 weeks will kind of clear that up somewhat. We're going to find out, aren't we? Will Levis for the Titans. Brian Branch for them Detroit Lions. Tank Dell for the Texans. Nice. Die cut. Jahmyr Gibbs for the Detroit Lions. Tyreek Hill for the Dolphins on the die cut. CJ Stroud on the numbers. And Roshan Johnson for the Bears. Naff has a Naff. You know, he gets some cards now. He gets more than a couple. That was a good pack, though. Finally. Take pretty much every card in that pack. And my boy. We can't forget about my boy. It's going to Mr. Esquire, who I don't think has made his presence known yet today. Maybe he did and I missed it. I don't know. Who's to say? Kobe Turner always finds a way to show up, folks, for the Rams. DJ Moore on the die cut for the Niners. Jair Brown. Puka Nacua for the Rams. Not bad, mate. Who got the Rams tonight? Naff. Jaleel McLaughlin for the Denver Broncos. Tommy DeVito. And Jalen Jones for the Colts. A little Puka action. A lot of these kind of die cuts, sorry. They're not that easy. They're not all that easy sometimes, you know. That comes with the territory, dog, you know. That air, that's some high quality air from the Shenandoahs. Osiris Torrance for the Bills. Anthony Richardson for the Colts. Kyron Williams. There's a Patty Mahomes on the die cut going to Rob Nealon. Saquon on the turbocharged. Ooh, a hidden auto for Chet. Kyle Hamilton for the Ravens. And a Terry McLaurin. There you go, Chet. It's not numbered, but hey, he's an excellent player. There you go, brother. A little deed. And Patty Mahomes was in there. Take care of Osiris here real quick, you know. That boy, he's beefy. He extra beefy. Noise. All right, so what do I do now? I guess we might as well just do it. We're just going to do it. 2020 time. There's one box, empty box. What's up, Steve? Hope you had a good day yesterday, brother. We're just getting a little ripping in round. Yeah. There's the other box and an empty box. And yeah, we're getting right into 2020 this time. These are not very cordial, but Primo will find a way. All right. You try to get them all in one go, and they just don't want to cooperate. There's always like one soldier left behind. See, 2 soldiers this time. Jamal Adams didn't make it, and somebody for the Colts didn't make it. Empty box. This is round 1 of the 2020. Good luck. Oh, bro, yeah, a deed is what you hit. Jamal Adams, Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. Okay. Boy, had him a game last week. Cooper Kupp. Behind Cooper is Rod Woodson for the Steelers. Dalvin Cook. Cam Chancellor for the Seahawks. Luke Kuechly. Bases. Peyton Manning for the Colts. Tyler Boyd. Honey Badger for the Chiefs. Honey Badger for the Chiefs on the green mosaic. There's a little Aaron Rodgers action for the Pack. Man, I saw some stats on him the other day. It was just obscene. Harrison Smith for the Vikings. Keenan Allen for the Chargers. Mark Andrews for the Ravens. Old school Roger Staubach. Got game green mosaic for the G-Men. Saquon Barkley. Kirk Cousins. Cam Akers for the Rams, and Jalen Hurts on the NFL debut to round it out. Really not a lot of rookies in that. That was, that's a little different. We have 2 rookies in it. We had Jalen, and we had Jonathan Taylor, and Cam Akers. Everybody else, not a rookie. But we take Saquon's. This guy's valuable to what they do out there in Baltimore. Well, there's got to be something in this other one then. 3 rookies. Just give us a couple of cool ones, okay? Like a zebra or something. Or not a zebra. Like a Genesis. Oh, that one was real nice and easy. We like those. And the only thing left behind was a kid reporter. Emptiness. 2020. Randall Cunningham. Robert Woods. Drew Brees. Landon Collins. Marlon Mack. Tyler Eifert. Kyler Murray. Drew Lock. T. Higgins for the Bengals. Silver Hollow, Terry McLaurin. That looks nice. John Elway for the Denver Broncos. Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. Dalvin Cook. Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals. Adam Thielen. Terry Bradshaw on the old school silver mosaic for the Steelers. Antonio Gandy Golden. LaMichael P. Ryan. And can you give us one little Deedsman at the back? John Elway on the Hall of Fame. Wow. Sorry, those were so rookie. Not rookie. It's just players. This card's clean. It's very clean. Yeah, Fitzgerald. He's a monster. And a nightmare. And so was John Elway. Looks like we got the Legends boxes there. They're known to happen from time to time, yeah? I don't even know about Jalen Reagor anymore. T. Higgins probably going to end up somewhere else, more than likely, at the end of the year. I guess it's possible they re-sign, but I doubt it. Oh, there's a DeAndre Swift stuck behind Antonio Gandy Golden. Well, how about that? A surprise card. All right, it's just Megas and Hobbies now. The Band-Aid's been ripped off. What kind of mischief is this Mega trying to pull? 2 security tags? Well. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We start out with an Ivan Pace Jr. for the Vikings. Zay Flowers for the Ravens. Die cut. Osiris Torrance for the Bills. Tua on the die cut. That's another nice little Dolphin die cut there. Devontae Adams for the Raiders on the silver die cut. Puka Nacua Future, and good old Taysom Hill. Taysom Hill wears many masks. That one had a ton of die cuts in it, which is a good thing. We don't mind that. And I will do a recap at the end if anybody kind of missed the beginning of this. Miles Murphy, Jalen Hurts, Garrett Wilson, Myles Garrett. On the die cut, it is Keon White, Jay Jetta on the numbers, and Deuce Vaughn for them boys. A snowflake keychain. Stop it, mister. Jake Moody. Tyree Wilson for the Raiders. Tanner McKee for the Eagles. Behind old Tanner is Toa Toa for the Texans. Stephon Diggs for the Bills. Sam Laporta on the numbers, and Andre Jones for the Commanders. Laporta. Number 1. Make it so. Make it so, number one. We got a whole big old hobby chilling back there, dog. Harrison Butker. Tyreek Hill. On the die cut, it's Mr. Levis for the Titans. Die cut rookie. How about that? Christian McCaffrey for the Niners. Okay. Anton Harrison for the Jags on the die cut. Tyreek Stevenson select certified and a Puka base for the Rams. It's like that, y'all. It's like that, y'all. It's like a that, y'all. Oh, well, we wants to just get a deed in, bro. I got to play the Niners on Monday night this week. That should be interesting. It's probably going to come down to the Vikings game. The Packers-Vikings game is going to tell a lot. Let's see what goes down in that game. Drake, London, Puka, one more again. Desmond Ridder, Kobe Turner on the die cut. Daniel Whelan for the Packers on the die cut. Brock Purdy turbocharged and a Bryce Young base. Oh, hold up. That's one of them there die cuts right there, folks. They'll sneak up and bite you. Puka's everywhere. Mr. Esquire. Anders Carlson. Ty J. Spears for the Titans. Oh, something chilling right there. CJ Stroud on the die cut for the Texans. It's I think it's low numbered. Let's pull from the back. Anthony Richardson on the base. Excellent. Derek Hall for the Seahawks. And something else is behind it. Hold up 1 minute here. Well, we saw it now. It's a Niner. Select certified Zay Flowers for the Ravens. And for the Niners, Fred Warner on the white out of, I thought it was going to be lower than that, 199, but we'll take it. That's going to Mr. Esquire. Just in time. And a little CJ Love never hurt nobody on the die cut action. I mean, come on, Timmy. We're going to take that. Or right there. Little Ty J action. That was a good little ender pack there. Nice little ender pack. As we make our way to the deeds. Oh, he got him, dog. He got him. All right. So, bring you down here. You got a lot of weight on you. We don't want you going nowhere, hobby. All right, mega time. I got a good feeling about this mega. I might have just jinxed it. But Joe Boo told me a secret, so. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Deeds for everyone. Jake Dotting. These have the yellers in them. Brian Mitchell. Bo Nix on the NFL debut. Okay. Trey Hendrickson. Jonah Ellis for the Broncos. Devontae Smith for the Eagles. Yeah, for the Eagles. We'll take that. Jerzon Newton for the Commanders. And Josh Jacobs on the Epic Performance. Epically performing. Dun, 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 dun. Mark Brunell, Jalen Thompson, Quinion Mitchell for the Eagles. We got an auto for the Jets. Malachi Corley. Oh, no, it's a silver. I forgot. They keep doing that to me, man. My bad. Silver. Jets going to Rob Nealon. Anthony Richardson on the yellow. L'Jarius Sneed for the Titans. And Justin Jefferson on the elevate. They got me again. Hornswoggled. Well, how about that then? Well, I forgot that they keep doing that in these megas, or the ones that I got anyways. All the silver hollows, which have a decent amount of them in it, are like that for some reason. Tyreek Hill, Jarrett Stidham, Josh Allen. For the Bills, we'll take that. Touchdown Masters on the mosaic. Raheem Mostert, yellow. Rookie, yellow. For the Saints, Spencer Rattler. Okay. And Michael Penix on the notoriety with the Kid Reporter. Kid Reporter. That pack was a little bit better. Yeah. I think Nick got him tonight. He did. There you go, Nick. A little deed. A smidgen of a deed, yeah? The essence of a deed. Khalil Mack, Darius Slade Jr., Austin Eckler, Josh Jacobs. On the rookie, Cameron Kitchens for the Rams. Silver mosaic, Travis Kelce for the Chiefs. We'll take that. And a touchdown Masters, Jalen Hurts. It's not a prism, but it is a Jalen Hurts. Top loader down. Malik Neighbors on the NFL debut for the G-Men. That's right, Justin. Essence of a deed. Calvin Ridley, Tyson Bagent, Jerzon Newton for the Commanders. Yellow, Deshaun Watson for the Browns. This is a rookie. Come on. Be relevant. For the Cardinals. That works. Marvin Harrison Jr. on the NFL debut. For the Cardinals, going to Nath, a.k.a. Sean, a.k.a. Pimp Player. Bang on, that's Daniil Hunter for the Texans on the bang. And the Browns got just a smidgen of a hit. And don't y'all worry, we still got a hobby back there. We still got a hobby chilling. All kinds of goodies could be in there. We hope there are, at least. Couple goodies. we like good is around these parts. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let's get this bass under control here a little bit. Okay, that's better. That's better. All right, 1 pack left, and then it's hobby time. And there's a lot of cards in that hobby, I gotta tell you. Derek Henry, Jonathan Taylor, Mark Andrew. Y'all stop. I think it's another silver hollow. For the Pats, Drake May. That'd be an excellent silver hollow. For the Pats, it is. NFL debut. Excellent. That's going to the Preem. Brandon Ayuk, Amarius Mims, and Ty Law. This guy's Big Frittercon. He's a right tackle for the Bengals. And he's Big Frit. All right, you know what time it is. It's hobby time. There you go. There you go, Dow. All right, here we go. Hobby time. No more waiting. The finale. We'll have a little bit more in Saturdays and Sundays. Prism's just a little bit harder to get extra stuff in with, but we're doing one tonight, that's for sure. Empty box. Because how you going to get a deed if you don't pull the deeds? Empty box. What's up, Dustin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're good. We got our packs. Good luck, everybody. I will do a recap at the end. And obviously, I throw in extras. When I sort all this stuff, I'll see who did really poorly. But Prism can do magical things. Dwight Freeney, Jacoby Myers, Christian McCaffrey, Willie Gay Jr., Cam Chancellor, Herman Moore, T. Higgins, Andre Rison. For the Cardinals, Marvin Harrison Jr. on the Prismatic. It doesn't look like a prism, but we'll take it. For the Bears on the blue, Brian Urlacher out of 230. Okay. Go Bears. Jared Verse for the Rams, Xavier Leggett for the Panthers, and the good old Kid Reporter. Reporting of the kid. Little Urlacher. It's a bit odd, yeah. Those are some weird numerals, yeah. No, not a prism. No, not a prism. James Lofton, Kyron Williams, Tyquan Lewis, Garrett Wilson, Treylon Burks, Mike Quick, Dak Prescott, Dalton Kincaid. On the silver rookie, DJ James for the Seahawks. Okay. On the orange, Bo Jackson. Is that red? It looks more red than orange to me now. And it is out of 149 for the Raiders. It's going to Rob, Jonah Ellis, and Brian Thomas Jr. for the Jags. Little Bo Jackson, little Brian Urlacher. Okay. And a little love for the Seahawks that hardly ever get a little bit of love. A Silver Hollow edition. All right, we've got Daniel Marino, Pacheco, Juju Smith-Schuster, LeVar Arrington, George Kittle, Patrick Surtain II, Jonathan Stewart, Michael Wilson. A little purple checkerboard action. Jacksonville Jaguars. Ooh, is it an auto? Nope. Emergent. Brian Thomas Jr. purple out of 49. That's spectacular. Who got the Jags tonight? Heelbon. Excellent hit, bro. Warren Moon for the Titans out of 75, I believe. 33 out of 75. Okay. Malik Washington and Devontae Walker. Okay. That emergence, nice. I haven't pulled one of those yet. That's why I didn't know what to expect. A very nice Chinqui. Bo Jackson, Joe Mixon, Cooper Kupp, Morton Anderson, Devontae Smith, Boomer Esiason, Lambjack, Josie Jewell, Silver Hollow, Legend, All-Purpose Jamal Lewis for the Ravens. There you go, chat. That boy's nasty. Look at this. Keith Byers, another legend for the Eagles. Out of 49. 4 out of 49. Excellent. There you go. There you go, brother. We'll take that, Brandon. Adunzi and Jatavian Sanders. Yeah. Yep. A little deed here, a little deed there. It is, Lisa. I catch a beat running like Randy Moss. Devontae Adams, Emmanuel Forbes, Brock Purdy, Demario Davis, Barry Sanders, Jamar Chase, A.J. Terrell on the rookie for the Bears portals. Roma Dunzi. It's not a prism. Nice. For the pack, Jordan Love on the blue. I guess that's another 230. I take it. 102 out of 230. Caleb Williams on the base. And Braden Fisk for the Rams, Kid Reporter. It was a good pack. It was a good pack, Mike. Oh, yeah. Keep it up. This hobby's doing good stuff. Don't you stop now, baby. Prism retail's probably not out yet. Maybe. I don't know. I haven't looked today specifically. Ricky Williams. Travis Kelce, Kyle Duggar, Keith Byers, Lenny Moore, Nick Bosa, Tyson Bagent, Trey McBride. For the Pats, Richard Seymour, Silver Hollow. Pimp, playa. Oh, I think we got one of our autos. Let's just see what's going on here. SLA. My boy for the Detroit Lions going to Justin. Samuel Laporta on the auto. Significant. It's my boy. Javon Baker and Adisa Isaac. Mr. Laporta. been a good box. Don't you stop now, box. Let me get this Prism base under control. It's got a lot of base. All right, we're good to go. We're good to go. Mr. Laputa. Marcus Allen, Nico Collins, Byron Young, Danny Dimes, Rashad White, Jonathan Allen, Corey Dillon, Derek Henry, Micah Parsons on the purple cracked ice, potentially. Miles Sanders for the Panthers, out of 225. Kamari Lassiter for the Texans, and Roman Wilson for the Steelers. This guy's a good player. I know I keep saying that, but I'm until you guys know it, and then I'll stop. This guy's a good player. He good. 2 thumbs up from Primo. He will pop off. Mr. Sanders. All right. Tom Flores, Stephon Diggs, Russell Wilson, Earl Campbell, Fred Warner, DeAndre Swift, Buda Baker, TJ Hushman-Zoli. On the emergent Michael Penix, it is not a prism, but we'll take it, Atlanta. For the Falcons, Drake London on the purple, out of 125. Take that as well. Chop Robinson and Jace McClellan, Falcons pack from straight out of Nor. A Falcons pack it was, mate. We've got Kobe Turner, Reggie Wayne, Sam Darnold, Devin Singletary, Mike Evans, Zay Flowers, Deron Bland, Don Beebe, Silver Hollow action for the Niners, all-purpose Christian McCaffrey. For the Cardinals, Max Melton out of 180, 148 out of 180 headed to the Cardinals. Xavier Worthy for the Chiefs, and Jonathan Brooks for the Panthers. A couple of decent bases there. Okay. 3 packs remain. Should have another auto. Christopher Jones, Jordan Love, CJ Mosley, Brandon Ayuk, Drew Brees, Trey Hendrickson, Brian Jordan, Zeke Elliott, DJ Moore on the hype. Orange. Oof. Out of 60. Look at this card. I'm going to sit you down right there. Boy. That's going to El Jefe. Look at that beauty. Ooh, boy. It's so nice. 6 out of 60. Good. Good and good for yous. And there's a Brock Bauer sitting back here, too, on the base with a Kid Reporter and Lou Fowl. 2 more packs to go now. Good box. Good box. El Jefe. El Big Jefe. Brett Favre, Puka Nakua, Peyton Manning, Dave Krieg, Tyler Conklin, Jeffrey Simmons, Khalil Shakir, Marvin Mims, Silver Hollow for the Vikings, Aaron Jones, and our last auto, CDN. For the Bengals, another decent auto. This guy's a true legend going to Biro. Corey Dillon on the significant. A Drake May was behind that, and a rookie behind that. Wow, excellent box. Just throw a case hit in the last one. Why not? Top it off. It's only right. I will get Saturday mornings posted tomorrow evening. Afternoon, evening, let's just say. Yeah, it's nasty. It's orange. It's nasty. It's very nasty. Matt LeFleur, Matt Stafford, Zaire Franklin, Richard Sherman, Breece Hall, Calvin Ridley, Josh Cribbs, James Cook, Silver Hollow Bengal, T. Higgins for the Bengals, for the Vikings, Randy Moss on the blue cracked ice, out of 99, Mason Smith and Devin Culp to end it out. Good break. Commanders missed out a little bit there, Rob, but you did all right with some other squads. But yeah, that's nasty. It's out of 60, and it's a color match, and it's nasty. It's just nasty. Okay, it's just nasty. I knew it. I knew it when I seens it. Appreciate y'all. Stop on by tomorrow afternoon. Get the good squads early because they go quick, and I'll be on at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time Saturday morning, popping off. You know how we do round these parts. Yes, sir. The Bo Nix Special. How about that? Cash me outside. How about that? Appreciate y'all. Have a good night. I'm going to do a recap here. Got a nice amount of layers here. It's a good break. I know not everybody hit, but it was a good break. I've done enough breaks to know a good one when I see one. You know what I'm saying? If 2020 had some rookie QBs in it, oh man, it would have been that hot fire. It'd been spitting hot fire. All right, recap time. Appreciate you, Justin. Brian Branch, Tank Dell, Tyree Wilson, Zay Flowers, James Cook, Jackson Smith, Russell Wilson, Aiden O'Connell, Jordan Howden out of 299, Tyreek Hill, CJ Stroud, Saquon Barkley for the G-Men, Jonathan Taylor rookie, Puka die cut, Malik Neighbors, Bo Nix, Brian Thomas Jr. on the base, Marvin Harrison Jr. Prismatic, Deshaun Watson, Ty J. Spears, Puka Nakua, Bryce Young, Sam Laporta, Zay Flowers, Devontae Adams, T. Higgins. This is a really nice Terry McLaurin right here. I'd slab it. Mark Andrews, Aaron Rodgers, Will Levis, Stephon Diggs, Travis Kelce, Michael Penix, Max Melton out of 180, Miles Sanders out of 225, Jordan Love out of 230, 102 out of 230 to be exact. Caleb Williams, Roma Dunze, Malachi Corley, Anthony Richardson, Spencer Rattler, Josh Allen, Devontae Smith, CJ Stroud, die cut rookie, Larry Fitzgerald, Jalen Hurts, NFL debut rookie, die cut Patty Mahomes, Zay Flowers, die cut Christian McCaffrey, Puka, DeAndre Swift, Tua, Puka, old school silver mosaic Terry Bradshaw, Keenan Allen, and then the final little stack here of goldenness. Jahmyr Gibbs on the die cut rookie, John Elway, Kyle Hamilton auto for the Ravens, Fred Warner out of 199 die cut, Drake May NFL debut silver hollow, NFL debut yellow Marvin Harrison Jr., silver hollow DJ James, Bo Jackson out of 149, Brian Urlacher out of 230, Brandon Ayuk, Drake London out of 125 for the Titans, Warren Moon out of 75, 33 out of 75, Richard Sherman, Xavier Leggett, Christian McCaffrey all-purpose, Xavier Worthy, Roma Dunze Portals, Michael Penix Jr. emergent, Jamal Lewis all-purpose, Keith Byers for the Eagles out of 49, 4 out of 49, T. Higgins silver, Aaron Jones silver, Drake May base, Randy Moss on the cracked ice out of 99, 90 out of 99, Brock Bowers base, Corey Dillon significant auto for the Bengals, Sam Laporta significant auto for the Lions, emergent Brian Thomas Jr. out of 49, 10 out of 49, and the Bo Nix. Orange color match, Golden Deeds, 6 out of 60, pop off and holla at a player when you seenst him in the streets. It's a nice one, folks. I knew it when I seenst it. And that is Thursday night's break, folks. I'll be back Saturday morning, Sunday morning. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your Thursday evening. Enjoy your Friday. We're a few steps closer to the weekend. And I'll get this break posted sooner rather than later, okay? Everybody have a really good night. Thank you, Big Daddy Pareto. I followed you back. Stop on by. We'll have some more deeds come this weekend. Everybody have a good night. Thank you, Kimberly. Appreciate you, girl. Okay. Bye-bye.